Gonna see you there. I'm student worker Julie at the Imaging Center. I'm about to go set up a light kit. You can use these to ensure proper lighting during your photo shoots or when documenting your work. Let's check it out. Here's your light kit. Two light stands. Two lights. Two umbrellas. Two cables. Now we're gonna go set it up. First thing you want to do is set up the light stand. Loosen the knob on the side to pull apart the legs. Raise the top half of the stand to your desired height and tighten the screws until it's secure. Next, place the light on the stand. The side of the lamp has a black rectangle that you can slide right onto the top of it. You may need to unscrew the knob next to it to allow it to slide through, and then screw it back once placed on the stand to make sure it's tight. Slide the umbrella through the hole on the front of the lamp. Place it at an angle you want and secure it in place. Plug the cable into the back of the lamp and the other end to an outlet. Turn it on by pressing the button on the cable. That's how to set up a light kit. Thanks for watching.